Hey everyone, I'm Shaler with Online ADA, and I'm going to be giving you a detailed walkthrough of Max Access, the AI-powered and fully automated WCAG compliance solution for websites. There are three key components to Max Access: the accessibility toolbar, the automatic code fixes, and the dashboard with before and after compliance reporting. Let's take a look at the first. The accessibility toolbar has accessibility profiles users can select that access a multitude of presets simultaneously. There's also font scaling and color contrast, among many other options. The accessibility toolbar includes also a screen reader that can be used to read text from the top to the bottom of the page, or click to speech, which allows a user to click and have a section of text read to them. You can reset the settings. Users can also switch the sides if, while open, it blocks the content. If a user returns to your website, the last settings that they used will be loaded by default. The accessibility toolbar represents about 30% of the WCAG compliance and affects the user interface so that people can more easily engage with your website content. The second component to Max Access is the programmatic and AI-driven remediation that's happening under the hood. You don't see it, but Max Access is actually fixing the code of your website to make it more accessible. There are a multitude of components that go and play a role here, and I'll cover a few of the key features. If not already, Max Access can make your website tab navigable so it's usable for people with alternative inputs. It also compiles all of the images of your websites, distinguishes which ones don't have alt tags, and uses AI and optical character recognition to provide alt tags for those images. Max Access will also add ARIA labels to your website so that it will be usable for people with screen readers. The third component to Max Access is the dashboard. Let me go ahead and load it up for you. This is actually the V4 dashboard that unifies all of Online ADA's products. So if you're already using one of our other products, you're probably familiar with the dashboard, and I'll walk you through the Max Access portion of it. Just an overview: all of our products and services are accessible here, and you can manage user level access, domains, subscriptions, and payment methods all in one place. Let's go ahead and load into Max Access. You'll see here you can get the script for installation. There's a link to setup instructions, and it checks to see if the script is installed and validates it. As soon as you install Max Access on your website, it will immediately start compiling a list of all publicly available pages. If you have any pages of the website that are not publicly available, you can add the URLs here manually. Max Access scans your website every 24 hours looking for new pages and content. Max Access includes compliance reporting. With the standard version, you get the report summary, and you can review the report summary with or without Max Access. It gives you a breakdown of the Section 508, WCAG Level A, AA, and color contrast issues, the pages that have these compliance issues, and with the Pro version, you get the detailed reports that show details by page or by issue. Let's load one up and take a look. You'll see here, it gives you a description of the compliance issue, a note on how to fix this issue, a reference to the WCAG compliance guide. It shows you the code snippet of the issue, links you to the page that it's on, and gives you a screen capture of that element. You can paginate through these by issue again and by page. They're also filterable, so you can change the detailed reports for any of these levels of compliance issues. In the WCAG reference guide, we provide you with a video walkthrough. Our accessibility experts walk you through what these compliance issues mean in layman's terms and how to resolve them. Max Access, at its core, is a solution that's fully automated. The reports are for people who want to go dive deeper into accessibility and use it as an educational tool. Let's take a look at the Alt Tag Manager. The Alt Tag Manager compiles all the images on the website. If an alt tag doesn't yet exist, the AI system will try to understand what's in the image, or if it has text embedded, will pull that text out and use that as the alt tag description. You can simply click in the description to alter it, clicking Done to save. It identifies whether the alt tag has been edited manually or was provided by the AI system. By clicking Details, you can see all of the URLs where this image exists on the website. You can regenerate the alt tag or open the image in a new tab. Marking it decorative will omit the alt tag from the image. The ARIA Label Manager works similarly. Now, most people don't need to change this. The ARIA labels, again, are for screen readers. Our system does a phenomenal job of identifying the ARIA labels and providing them. You can view. Clicking View opens the website in question and jumps you right to the content in question. You can see here that it gives you a highlight of this ARIA element. You can change the orientation of the window and close it when you're done. Let's take a look at the options that allows you to customize your Max Access installation. It includes a dev mode that allows your team to test Max Access while hiding it from the general public. You can test it and customize it, and then when you're ready to launch, disable the dev mode. You can turn off validation for phone and email links. You can disable the validation for image alt text. You can enable link outlines or change the position left to right of the toolbar. You can also change the default text-to-speech options for your website. For most languages, you also get a multitude of voices in both male and female. You can customize your toolbar using either the advanced toolbar or the minimalist toolbar. You can hide the toolbar icon. So if you'd rather pop the toolbar with a text link, something that says accessibility options, for example, in the footer of your website, in lieu of the floating icon, you can do that. We give you descriptions in our tutorial section how to do this, and you can simply click this button to hide the icon. You can white label the Max Access Advanced toolbar, uploading your own logo and branding it as you see fit. You can change the icons on the toolbar and change the toolbar colors, again, to match your brand. We give you a set of UI classes to change the way color contrast works on the website. You can also have it ignore certain content sections. We also provide you with an accessibility statement. With the advanced toolbar, the accessibility statement is featured here, or you can copy and paste this to an accessibility page on your website. Those are the three core components to Max Access: the accessibility toolbar, the automatic code fixes, and the dashboard with compliance reporting. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us or sign up today for a free trial to check it out yourself. Thank you. Have a great day.